today's video, you're going to learn one of Facebook's coolest features. What it does is, it allows pre-recorded video to be posted as if it were live, and as well as announcing the video is going to be live ahead in time with a post. So let's get started with the process. Log into your Facebook profile and head to your Facebook page. Next, click Publishing Tools in the top menu and click Videos tab in the left. Next, click Premiere tab. Next, select a video from your computer and upload it. Next, enter a suitable title to the video and a brief description here. And if you wish to drive traffic to your video, you can enter its keyword tags that's relevant to the video topic, like makeup or clothes or home decor. That's helpful when someone searches the topic and discovers your video. You can also tag people who might be related to the video either in the making or promotion. And next, click the Next button. Select Premiere tab in this screen and here you can enter a date and time for the video to go live. If you want the video to go live tomorrow or day after, but it has a maximum time frame of 7 days ahead, you can only use to premiere the video within the next 7 days. You can add an image here that is going to be visible in your timeline as an announcement saying your video is going to be premiered at a certain time entered here. Next, select where you want your video to be visible. Your news feed is selected by default. You can check and uncheck display in watch. This is where Facebook suggests people about videos to watch and option to embed the video here. You can select your other Facebook pages individually or collectively that's entered in your business manager. You can see here what this feature does. As soon as your video publishes, people will be able to watch, chat and engage with it in real time. You will also be able to see how many people are watching the video at the same time. Afterwards, it will appear as a regular video post. And next, click Publish and you can see your video is being processed for premiering. So once it's finished processing, we will see the announcement post on the Facebook page. Here it is. And people on Facebook can click Get Reminder to be notified when the video goes live. And we can share it in our profile page timeline or other friends timeline or our Facebook group or other Facebook pages we manage or share the link in the email list to get the word out ahead of the premiere. This video is going to be live just like I am doing a live video even though it's pre-recorded ahead of its premiere. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video if you like them. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get video updates notified. Thank you.